Hi, today in front of me Google Pixel 5a and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons, you should just here click on this edit icon, and after that you'll see here this down section with all of the invisible options. If you want to add some of these options or just all of them, you just should hold it and drag the option to this up section. By the same way, we can remove some of them from here. By the same way, just hold the option and drag it to the down section. And just to change their positions, we should hold and drag the icons. Just to save the changes, we should click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.